Can I get car insurance without a title? Buying car insurance is important and legally required if you are driving. Driving without insurance can be prosecuted variously from state to state, but it's never a pretty picture. Many people opt for the cheapest insurance just to get the legal requirement out of the way. But the truth is, a good insurance policy is much more than just the price of the premium. Would you choose the cheapest surgery? Or the cheapest babysitter for your kids? In many cases, quality is more important than price. So when trying to find the best insurance policy out there, how exactly do you do this? You'll learn a few basic tips in this video that can make it easier. Once you understand what you need and what you are looking at, it will make comparing policies a lot easier. This can actually help save you money, as you won't be persuaded to buy something that you don't really need. There are some things that are out of your control, like your age, your driving record, and where you live. These will definitely have an impact on the price of your policy. But also consider the amount of insurance you are getting. If you only get the minimum required by law and you cause an accident, the insurance will only pay so much. If the actual damage amount is more than what your insurance will cover, then you've got to come up with the difference. This can be a frightening prospect. There is a risk of getting into an accident caused by somebody else. And even though it's a law that everybody must have insurance, not everybody does. Which means if you get hit by somebody else and they don't have insurance, you're stuck holding the bag. This is when the uninsured motorist addition to your policy can be a lifesaver. This is something you should definitely consider. Choosing a deductible is always a tough choice for many. Higher deductibles mean lower prices, and lower deductibles mean higher prices. Some look at a deducible of $1,000 or more and think that's out of the question. To help choose, compare the differences between a high and a low deductible, and then compare the differences in premiums over a year's time. That can give you an idea if it's really worth it or not. Shopping around for the best insurance policy isn't the greatest way to spend your weekend, but once you find one, you don't have to worry about any longer. Just make sure you take your time and buy the right policy so it will be there when you need it.